the best and top 5 promo codes for the Kittl website. So how can we find them and how can we redeem the codes to get a maximum amount of discount? For this, I will go on the coupon board's website. You can simply click on your search bar and copy the web browser page I'm showing you. And then on the top you can see there is 4 hours ago last used. So you just have to just copy the promo codes that have been reused recently, like it's been used 4 hours ago. So yes, this is the third and the fourth and the fifth QR code, promo code. You can simply click on the get code option to get a promo code for it, copy it, and you can save 20% of your purchase on Kittl. So the copy you code from here and go direct to the Kittl website and paste this code to get a heavy discount on your purchase. So this is all about the top codes here. These all are the top 5 and top 10 promo codes for your Kittl website. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.